Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use coupons in Kucoin. Kucoin provides a variety of coupons designed to help you save on fees and maximize your crypto earnings. These valuable bonuses can include discounts on spot trading fees, which are applied automatically to reduce your transaction costs. You might also find futures deduction coupons, offering similar savings for futures trading. Additionally, Kucoin offers interest-free coupons for margin trading and rate-up coupons to boost your passive income on Kucoin earned products. To get your hands on these coupons, keep an eye on the Kucoin Bonus Center and participate in various platform promotions. Once acquired, you can easily view your coupons. On the website, head to Assets and then My Bonuses. If you're using the mobile app, navigate to Futures and tap the three dots in the upper right corner to select Futures Bonus. Remember, some coupons, such as trial funds, need to be activated before their expiration date to become effective. Applying your coupons is straightforward. Spot trading fee discount coupons are typically applied automatically when you execute eligible spot trades, reducing your transaction costs. For futures trading, deduction coupons will take effect to lower your fees once you've enabled futures trading and made a trade. Margin interest-free coupons can be activated directly from the trading page. When using futures trial funds, you'll select them when opening a new position, allowing for risk-free exploration of the futures market. It's crucial to be aware of a few key details regarding your Kucoin coupons. Always check the expiration date, as unused coupons will become invalid. Each coupon also specifies a total discount amount and a discount ratio, determining how much can be saved. Many coupons can be used multiple times until their total value is fully utilized. For futures trial funds, there's often a zero-loss guarantee, meaning any losses are deducted from the trial fund itself. Finally, ensure your account has completed identity verification to unlock all available coupon benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.